cleaning up to do. Today's vlog is going to be just me and my constant struggle of keeping this closet clean, but we're going to do a little bit of a clean out. I'm going to show you guys things that I'm giving away, things I'm donating, things I'm fixing, and new in stuff, which I'm so excited about. So over the pandemic, I obviously had a bit of a wardrobe shift because we were working from home. The focus was staying comfy. I didn't have many places to go, and I just really wanted to be comfortable like all the time. So I ended up having this massive amount of sweaters and sweatpants, and on top of that, when I worked with brands and I was selecting items, I was usually kind of going towards loungewear anyway, because that's personally what I was wearing all the time, and that's what I know a lot of you guys were wearing a lot at the time. So it just didn't make sense to like get like really nice like clothing pieces that were meant to go for dinner and stuff when I was just staying at home most of the time. Got so many cool new pieces either sent to me or I purchased, and I've been updating my TikTok a lot. So I've been updating my TikTok a lot to show all this stuff, but I haven't been updating so much on here because sometimes I'll only get like 2 or 3 things, and it just doesn't really make sense to post a whole video for that. So this video is sponsored by my friends at Karma. They are formerly known as Shop Tagger. And basically what Karma is a browser extension that allows you to shop for the best deals, and it gives you notifications for any items that you add to certain lists and whatnot. So that way you're able to get notified when things go on sale, when there's a price drop, so specifically to the point of what color you want it in, what size you want it in, and how much of a price drop you want. I find it so frustrating when I don't use this extension. It's also available as an app on mobile that you can download as well, but I actually prefer to use it in browser extension. But one thing I absolutely love about it is that you're able to divide your items into lists. So for me personally, I'm always looking on Aritzia and trying to find things that are on sale, and I've actually found a bunch of really cool things that are on sale that I wouldn't have known about. Another cool feature that is only available on browser is it's actually able to look at coupon codes for you too. That way you know you're getting the best deal. So it will run through a bunch of coupon codes on its database right at checkout using the extension. It's super easy. Karma also has a cashback feature that allows you to get money back when you make purchases and also give to a good cause. So I just feel like it's just like the ultimate all-in-one shopping app for finding a good deal, and you know how much we love a good deal over here. So I'm going to have a link to download Karma in my description box below. If you guys don't have it already, you definitely should download it because it's seriously been such a godsend and I love it. So I just want to thank Karma again for sponsoring this video. It's always such a pleasure working with them. So I think we got some mail, so let me go see if we got that. So I just went to go check if we got some mail, and we did. This is from Mejuri. They sent over a few pieces to add to my collection. I wear my Mejuri rings all the time, and then I have a few necklaces and stuff I do wear a lot too. I just self-tan though, so I don't have them on. What did we get? Oh, what's in here? Ooh, polishing cloths. Oh, this necklace! Wait, this is so pretty. And this ring. Okay, so I got this little gemstone necklace. This is like, I believe this is a white topaz. That is so pretty. This isn't sponsored, guys, by the way. I'm just really excited about this stuff. Oh, and this line diamond ring. I'm actually so excited. I got this in a size, I wish my nails were done right now. I got this in a size 5. So I have the eternity band already, so I thought it'd be pretty to put the line diamond one there. And then I have this half baguette band, so I thought that would be just cute. They sent 2. Okay, but these are the wishbone stack rings. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna do this for fun. We're not married yet, but like, okay, if you're doing a wedding band set, like you could do something like this and have it like Hailey Bieber style. Like, see how it hugs your ring like that? You could do something like that, and that's so pretty. Oh my god. Okay, but I'm actually just gonna be wearing them on my other hand. I thought that would look really pretty. I wasn't expecting the other one. Oh my god, that's so cool. Wow, that is so pretty. I'm gonna cut the tags off these two because I know, but thank you so much, Mejuri, for sending me that stuff. That was so generous. I'm gonna have links to everything in the description box, but I just love their pieces. I literally live in them, so this is such a cool surprise. This is also not a good idea. So much sparkle. We got rid of everything pretty much. Now we're gonna work specifically on this area, which is my knitted sweaters and then my loungewear. The only thing about this stuff is that I'm still waiting because the Pax is like severely backstocked. So I'm still waiting on drawers and shelves for this unit, which is why it looks like this and which is why the storage solution obviously doesn't work right now. But I thought it'd be a good time to go through everything anyway and just tidy it up. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. I personally am not the type of person that likes to empty out all of my closet and go through it all at one time. I know that works for a lot of people. Personally, it doesn't work for me. I like to have like small achievable goals. And today we're solely just going to work on this. I think it's a good idea to take everything out. Any of the sweatpants back there, I honestly haven't seen in months, but I have a lot of like ratty old sweatpants that I have to get rid of. Like, it's to the point where they have holes. Like, do you see this? I don't know if you see this, but they have like holes in the bum and they're so worn that I can't even wear them anymore, really. Like, I can't wear them in public. I love my Brandy Melville sweatpants, and that's why I have so many pairs, but the whole point of me acquiring more pairs was so I can get rid of the old ones that are really ratty. My mom bought me this. And then obviously, you guys remember this one. I bought this with the girls in New York a few years ago, like right before the pandemic. These have to go. I never wear them. I really like this tie-dye set still. I think I'd wear this like next time we go on a beach trip. Another thing I really like to do is I usually go through clothes after the season is over because it gives me a really, really good idea of what needs to stay and what needs to go. I also have some knits there because I realized my hangers were stretching things out, so I had to take some of the stuff off because you can see like the shoulders were unfortunately stretched out, so I just wanted them to have a break. Obviously, this bottom portion is not a permanent solution. It's gonna get messy. That's just inevitable with the way things are stacked, and but I'm still patiently obviously waiting for the drawers, and once I actually have like proper storage in here, it's going to be so much better. But I definitely did declutter a lot. It feels so much better in here, but we're going to head out soon to donate my stuff because we need to get rid of it. The minute we clean, we have to get rid of it. But I want to show you guys a few things I picked up at the thrift store that are like home decor related. Super, super cute. But the first thing was I actually went to the napkin section and I never go in there. But I thought it would be really fun to find like vintage napkins for like our patio, you know, when we go and entertain outside this summer. But the first one I got, this was a set of 7 for $4.99. And I feel like they just have like a 60s vibe to them. They're very strong. Like, you can tell that these people didn't really use these. They aren't worn at all, but I love this vintage feel. I can't wait to, I'm gonna have to pop these in the wash. And then this was meant more for outdoor dining because we have a green patio furniture set. And I think that these would be super, super cute with like a blush pink bowl. I found this at Valley Village. The floral's not included, but it's good. It gives you guys the whole vibe. But this is like an amber, like this is like just a really pretty vase. You guys can see, I don't know if that's like a really good angle, I guess. It's just super, super gorgeous. And I got this for $3 at Valley Village as well. I'm really into collecting glassware lately just because I feel like it's so inexpensive. Also, I put eucalyptus in here, so it smells really good. And the third thing that we picked up for our home, huge home update, in my opinion, is we actually finally found a credenza for our dining room. So I went on Facebook Marketplace and I found this like office filing cabinet. And you can tell it's an office filing cabinet because first thing, the listing did say that, but also it had like locks, and usually that's for files. But it looked like a super heavy piece. I was actually intending to paint it at first, but I really like the lines on the curvature of it. It did remind me of something you would see like at CB2 or like LT Carpet, or you know, something that feels a little bit more luxe. And they listed it for $100, but I asked if they would take $80 because they needed to get rid of it, and they did. So I'm not a great negotiator, so I was really proud of myself. Dylan and my brother managed to pick it up last week, and it's just like the perfect size, perfect everything. So I want to go downstairs and show it to you guys because it's so good. Pop on the slippers. Go downstairs. Okay. So this is the piece, and it's definitely more like red compared to our chairs, so that's why I initially thought of painting it. But huge tip, guys, live with your furniture before you make anything super impulsive. I can't believe we found this piece for $80, and it's just really pretty. Like, I love the details on it, and it's just the perfect size for our dining room. I'll pop up a photo here. Cleaned it and then like put in all the stuff that was actually above our cabinets. So here's like all our serving and dishware and cheese boards. In here is like our larger appliances. Our kitchen's quite small, so we definitely needed this as a storage solution. And then in here is our bar. So I'm really excited about this. I think it looks so good. And then down there we have more like servingware and my vase collection. I like love this. We're obsessed with this piece. We think it looks so good. And with like the table and the texture and everything, and like that lamp, honestly, chef's kiss. We just need to find a piece of art that will go up here in our dining room. But that's for another time. So we're gonna go donate my stuff now. I changed because I didn't want to ruin my other clothes because I just moisturized and that stuff is really oily. So this is the fit. Dylan and I always look at the books at HomeSense because sometimes you find really good coffee table books. Like they have this huge Calvin Klein one. It's gorgeous. Look over here, they have an interior design book. These are all Rizzoli too, just super nice. Oh, Martha Stewart weddings.
I'll be righteous in a thrift.
Yeah. Always so many good baskets too. Like these, I'm sure they sell these for way more somewhere else, but these are really good. Cute little like not entryway. I guess this would be like a little bar cabinet maybe. I love this dress. It's so pretty. We are back from running errands. I want to show you guys a few things I got that are like new in. 3 main things I want to show you guys from Revolve. The first 2 are these sweaters. This one I've been wearing a lot. It's the L'Academie brand. I love this chartreuse green right now. I think it's the best way to add a pop of color, and it's like kind of our last ditch effort to wear knits before it becomes too warm to wear them. So really loving this. And then the other sweater like thing I got, this is the All the Ways brand, but this is so convenient. I just pop this on like over my stuff. It's just really easy. This is my bridesmaid's dress for one of my best friend's weddings. She's going for a sunset palette, and I decided to do this burnt orange. You would have seen this already on my TikTok, but it's so pretty, and it actually was fairly priced considering it's a very like fancy formal dress. So it definitely needs some alterations because just under here doesn't fit quite right yet, but it's going to be stunning once it's done. This is what I was wearing in the beginning of the video, but you kind of probably already saw it. I got this little jumpsuit from Aritzia. I think it's really cute. It's so easy to throw a sweater on top or something. This one I bought myself. It was about $98, so obviously on the steep end, but if you think about it, Lululemon workout pants like this are already $98, and this one you get like a full-on like workout suit. So if you think about it that way, it's not awful. Reformation sent over 2 lovely dresses from their linen collection. First off is this. So stinking pretty. I love this so much. This is the Rylander linen dress in cherry. I'm wearing it in a size 4 in the try-on part. It's so gorgeous. Like, it's beautiful. And then guys, this dress, I want this. I think this comes in white, and I need it in white because it's so flattering. I don't think a dress has ever fit me better. Like, this is stunning. This is a Reformation Kristen dress in a size 4. I got it in the check because I thought that would be so pretty for spring. And then guys, when I was thrifting, I found these boots. They're so good. I couldn't believe I found these. Someone said in my TikTok they remind them of the Tony Bianco butter boots, and I kind of get that vibe. I'm gonna be wearing these all year round. They're just so good, and I already wore them out, and they're really comfortable. Another pair of boots I found also at the thrift store. I still have the tag on these. These were expensive. They were $27.99, but I'm going to Austin in the summer, and I'm so excited to wear these there because I swear they fit so well. They're really comfortable and they're just this really gorgeous cognac color. So guys, that wraps up my declutter slash my vlog of the day slash my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please subscribe because I would love to have you. If you guys want to see things more in real time, also head on over to my TikTok, that's where I post a lot nowadays. I just want to thank Karma again for sponsoring this video. The link to download Karma will be in the description box below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye everybody.